Hey, good afternoon, folks. JT. Hey, I'm back. I finished modifying my KA-BAR Backpack Kaster. So I put a lanyard on here that I can wrap around my wrist. So if I do let go of this, I ain't going anywhere. And by the way, the Backpack Kaster floats. So even if it does land in the water, you're not going to lose it. But I don't want to throw the thing too far, so I got a little lanyard on it. I'll take my hand out of there for a minute here. You can see I also added these O-rings to it. Gives me a much better grip on it. It doesn't slide. That's not slippery at all. And I filled it with some 10-pound test monofilament. Put a swivel on it. So, about almost ready to go. Inside, I have some spare bobbers and some sinkers and other spare stuff in there. And I made up this kit right here. Got this little waterproof box from Walmart. And I've got bobbers in there and extra line. I got a knife in there. I got some sinkers and swivels and hooks. The only thing I'm going to need when I get there is just to dig up a few worms, and that's it. That's all I plan on fishing with, is this kit and worms. I'm not going to get too fancy. I've never been much of a good fisherman anyway, but I figured maybe I'd go out and have some fun like I did when I was a kid. We couldn't afford fishing poles when I was a kid, so we used to make throw lines out of wood. And then we'd take the line and we'd throw it in and go fishing for hornpout, basically catfish. We had fun. So maybe I'm trying to relive my childhood, I don't know, but I'm going to go out with a throw line and this little kit and see what I can grab this summer. Anyway, folks, I found these on Amazon on sale, 25% off, for about 15 or 16 bucks. If it's something you think you'd like, go over and get you one. Thanks for watching, folks. I appreciate y'all, and God bless.